We are doing lesson second. Lesson name is Internet Services. Earlier we did the topic email, where E stand for the electronic. Now our next topic is e-reservation. In the same way, E stand for the electronic, means E electronic reservation. E-reservation means the making the reservation for a service via the internet. Using e-reservation, we can check the availability of the seat in the bus, train, or aircraft at any time. Now, benefits of the email e-reservation. The first one is accessibility anywhere. It is the most convenient method. No need to visit the travel agent. The next benefit is cost cutting. You can visit multiple websites which enable you to choose the best price. The another advantage of booking online is saving money on all the extra hidden commission fees. Application areas means where e-reservation used. It is used for hotel reservation, travel ticket reservation, movie ticket reservation, event reservation. Some popular sites for the e-reservation are yatra.com, Make My Trip, or Book My Show. Reservation process means how you will reserve and what you have required. To book an e-ticket, you need to fulfill the requirements. The first one is an internet connection. The next one is online payment facility. Our next topic is e-governance. In the same way, E for the electronic, it is electronic governance. It refers to the integration of the information and the communication technology in the government process. It is the way to provide their services on the government by the government. Now we are discussing on the topic the services provided by the government in the India which come under the e-governance. The first one is Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. The UIDAI website helps to search local Aadhaar center. For that you can open the site http://www.uidi.gov.in. Next service is by using the site www.passportindia.gov.in, you can apply for passport and the visas. Next service is Income Tax Department. You can return the files by using the site http://incometaxindia.gov.in pages default ASPX. Ministry of Affairs. By using the site www.mca.gov.in, you can submit the fees, use the public documents, etc. National Portal of India. This portal provides you information and access information and services provided by the different department under the government of the India. Digital India Movement. Digital India is launched by the Government of India on the 1st July 2015 by the Honorable Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. The purpose of Digital India is bring India in the developed nation in the field of technology and the online services. Next topic is services provided by the Digital India. The major services provided by the Digital India movement have been combined in the one application, that is Umang. Its full form is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Government. Services which it is providing, that are Aadhaar, Digital Locker, CBSC, e-District, e-Panchayat, etc. Advantage of e-governance. Expanded reach to the government. More and more people now connected to the government portals. Next one, increased convenience. Services have been convenient to access. Next, high transparency. E-governance has increased transparency in the internal government process. The e-governance is also having disadvantages also. That is non-availability of the internet services in many rural areas. Despite of the providing the level of the security, the government portal are still under the cyber attacks. One more disadvantage is, that is lack of awareness among the peoples.